Okay, don't like when camera does that. So GCF, do I have a negative in front? No. Do you have X on everything? No. 16. 116, 2, 8, 3, and then 4 and 4. Okay, well, 49 divided by 16 is a decimal. Divided by 8 is a decimal. Divided by 4 is a decimal. 4 is a decimal. 2 is a decimal. And that leaves you with 1, so we're going to get rid of that. Now, do you have a difference of perfect squares? Well, you got minus. Well, 16's up on the board because I can see that's 4 times 4. 49's on the board. I can see that's 7 times 7. And x to the second's on the board because I can see that's x times x. So that'll be 7x times 7x. So we do have a difference of 2 perfect squares. So I need to make 2 parentheses out of that. 1 a plus. You always do 1 plus, 1 minus. And then I put 7x, 7x, and then 4 and 4, and it's done. Okay, 7x plus 4 times 7x minus 4. Okay, 3 terms. We got the GCF and then the T table. GCF, negative in front, no. X is on everything, no. 3 is the smallest, so it's 1 and 3. But none of these divide by 3, so no. A, B, C. So 20 times negative 3 is negative 60. So I got a negative, so I'm looking for a difference of 7. Nope. 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 65 by 4 is 15. Nope. 5 and 12. Yeah, there you go. 5 and 12. Is A equal to 1? No, not even close. A equals 20. Okay. So I'm obviously going to need 2 sets of parentheses. So since A is 20 and not 1, we need to lead off with 20. So XX and then 4, 15. Okay, so we had plus 7x. So you got plus 15 for sure, and difference means minus. Okay, so let's look at 4 would be the best number to make a factor list. 1, 4, and then double 2's. Okay, you can divide those both by 4. That's 5x minus 1. Okay. I guess we got to pick 15. 1 and 15. 15 divided by 2 is 3. 2 is a decimal, and then 3, 5. 4 is a decimal, and then I back to 5. So 20 divided by 15 is decimal. 20 divided by 5 is 4. 15 divided by 5 is 3. So we're going to go 5. That's 4x plus 3. Okay. So 5x minus 1 times 4x plus 3. That's your answer. Okay, next problem. 2 terms. So now it's GCF and then seeing if we have a DOPS, which stands for difference of perfect squares. GCF, you got a negative in front? Nope. You got X on all your numbers? Nope. And 4, 1, 4, and then double 2's. Okay, now we can't divide those both by 4. 9 divided by 4 is a decimal. And 9 divided by 2 is also a decimal. So that'd just leave me with 1. But if it's just a plain old 1, that means no. Difference of perfect squares. Well, you got the minus. Is 9 up on the board? Yeah, it's 3 times 3. Is 4 up on the board? Yeah, that's 2 times 2. And then x is second is x times x. So that needs to be 2x times 2x. Okay. So I make 2 parentheses. One's plus, one's minus. So 2x, 2x, 3, and 3. Okay. Okay, next problem. 3 terms. So GCF and then the T chart. GCF, you got a negative in front? No. You have X on everything? No. 1's your smallest, so it'd just be plain old 1. 1 times negative 63 is negative 63, difference of 2. And then it's 7 and 9 is what you end up getting, okay? Is A 1? Yes, sir, it is. Okay, so I just need 2 parentheses. X, X, 7, 9. So I got minus 2, so you got to have minus 9 for sure, and difference is plus 7. Okay, 2 more. 2 terms, so we look for a GCF, and then we look and see if we have a difference of perfect squares. Okay. GCF, do you have a negative in front? Nope. You got X on everything? You bet. Okay, so we need to look at 5, so 1 and 5. 5 divided by 2 decimal, 3 decimal, 4 decimal, and then I'm back to 5. So I'm pretty sure we can use 5. So 5x. So it's going to be 1x minus 6, okay? Do we have a difference of perfect squares there? Ooh, why am I doing that? We got a minus, but 6 isn't on the board, okay? I can't do that, okay? So that's going to be my answer. 5x times 1x minus 6. Got to parenthesize that, that's fine. Okay, and then the last one. 3 terms, so GCF and the T-chart. Okay, so GCF, negative in front, nope. You got X and everything, nope. 8, so 1, 8, and 2 and 4. And pretty sure you can't divide all those by 8. There's no way. How about 4? No. How about 2? No. 15 won't. Then no. ABC. So I take 8 times negative 15. That's negative 120. So difference of 14. And I'm just going to tell you what it is. It's 6 and 20. Is A 1? Absolutely not. A equals 8. Okay, so I need to make those two. Okay, so I lead off with the 8, and then we go x, and then 6 and 20. Okay, so I have minus 14, so you're going to have minus 20 for sure, and difference means you'll have plus 6. Okay, so 8 and 6. 6 is smaller. Can we divide those both by 6? Nope. How about 3? Nope. How about 2? Sure. 4x plus 3, now 8 and 20. 1 and 8, 2 and 4. 3 is a decimal, and then I'm just back to 4. Can you divide those by 8? No. How about 4? Yeah. So 2x minus 5. So 4x plus 3 times 2x minus 5. Okay, this one's the only one with a GCF. I'll just tell you that. On the rest of them, the GCFs, you can just ignore. Okay, the only one with a GCF's number 1, and that won't be a difference of perfect squares. This one has no GCF, but it's a difference of perfect squares because you got 7 times 7 and 6x, 6x.